Julie. Let me go get the chair. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have this girl back again. Me. But today we're not doing a makeup tutorial. We're actually doing a mukbang. And we have our special guest in the building, Panda Express. Woo! Wait, is this one mine? Yeah, this one's mine. Let's see which one's this one. Yeah, what's the other one? We got 3 plates. Just we're back. Yeah, just to see which ones we're actually eating. We don't know actually what we're gonna be talking about. We're just kind of gonna get into it because I'm really hungry, so we are starting. Yep, gonna get right into it.
Panda Express, get your spaghetti together.
What if they want to sponsor this video? But stop killing it for me. I'm actually gonna try some more.
I'm just kidding.
Alright. So I've never really got the idea what these videos are really about besides people just eating. So I guess I'm gonna get started. So I am the oldest out of 4 girls. She's the second one. We're like a 2-year difference. My birthday's in March, her birthday's in October.
It's coming
Then we have like an 11-year gap between our younger sisters, like another set of me and her, because they're almost 2 years apart in age as well. But between us, there's like an 11-year gap. I don't know why my mom decided to get pregnant again.
I don't think she wanted to get pregnant.
I think we requested for another sister, but
yeah, it was us. We just requested one, but we ended up getting 2.
Yeah, one was like oopsie. She's right here.
Over there. But first things first, we gotta show them what we got from Panda Express.
Okay, I got the honey walnut shrimp, like 2 entries, because it's like $125. You get more.
I got the sweet and sour chicken, bitch, and the honey walnut shrimp and fried rice. Because like I said, their chow mein be too hard. On like
good what you said. You have some younger siblings, you send them to go for stuff. We just send my little sister to get water because she's actually here in my place today. I'm gonna drop them off. She wanna go get her nails done. And I invited her over since our day off from work together too.
I seriously don't understand who the hell gets their nails done. What time is it right now?
It's 7:29.
My mom.
It's her. Anywho, we're both originally from LA. We moved to Omaha, Nebraska around almost 4 years ago, right? It's gonna be 4 years in November of 2018. It's been a big change for us, but it's been a good change. Do we regret it? No, maybe at first, because it's like in the middle of nowhere. Not like in the middle of nowhere, but it's like we were born in a big city, and to move to more like the Midwest country type of thing was a big difference. And it's like you can tell by the people how they talk, how they dress, what they eat. It's just different, way different. We have a lot of friends from over there who see our Snapchat and Instagram. They say, oh, this and that looks different. It really does look different.
I still don't like it.
I like it. I'm not mad. It's not expensive like the clothes.
No, I mean,
overrated.
Yeah, the living is.
I feel like everybody in California is trying to do the same thing and achieve the same thing. Like no one actually stands out anymore. Which I'm not mad. But when I move back, maybe when I retire, I'll buy a house by the beach. But I don't think I see myself moving back anytime soon. It's okay. I can always get to my friend. Need some more rice. I feel like I'm doing all the talking. You want to talk? You want to conversate, man?
I'm eating, enjoying my food.
I guess.
Which is true.
One thing that we get asked all the time is why did we move from California over here?
Not by choice.
It was kind of by choice. We could have stayed, we just didn't want to.
I wanted to stay.
Yeah, but you were younger though than me. My mom, she wanted to move out here with her family. She had like 20-something years of not seeing them. I don't know why that would take that long. But yeah, we just kind of tagged on. At first my friends were like, well, you know, it's so expensive, you guys stay, blah blah, how, you know, can you afford it? You guys have problems. You know, it was just like one of those two, like not two things, but things that made it difficult. We do have a lot of family out there. It's just really hard to try, you know, to be with them as like you are with your parents. So yeah, I guess. Only we would.
Hold on.
They should try for both of us. Thank you, Juju.
Because she's eating from both of our.
Not mine.
She got 2 plates.
She really got 2 plates over here. I wish I could turn the camera. Let me grab some more. This one's actually pretty good.
I told you. She asked for a free sample. You could have gotten a free sample.
I told her.
Oh, yeah? Well, you should have told her again, like, hey, you're forgetting me, man.
Whatever. Babies. That's another subject. My mom. She's always asking about
when are we going to have kids?
We don't see, maybe like in 7 years once they turn 30. Here you go.
I don't see myself having kids.
Just because I don't think I'm financially stable or where I want to be.
Stable.
Oh yeah. We have 2 younger sisters, so if something were to happen to my parents, we are responsible to take care of them. So I think about that. Not only that, though, when you get pregnant, a lot of things change.
A lot of things change.
So you can't do this. You have to make sure that you take the baby, you take this stuff. Is it appropriate? Is it at the right time? It's just like.
And I know for a fact if I were to have a kid, I wouldn't feel right leaving my kid with my mom for me to go out.
Did you see that one video? What that one kid named Jesse on daycare that he got beat really bad. Yeah, I'll show you a picture right now. It was really bad, and I guess the person at daycare has said it was a 2-year-old, but I swear you that doesn't look like it was a 2-year-old.
A 2-year-old?
Mm-hmm.
That is a lie.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Wow. What's kind of hair?
Right? But I'd probably be the first kid for both of us if we have one. Well, duh.
I'm over here agreeing like, hold on, I had to rethink about
Let me see. Jesse, baby.
But yeah, just no kids. And then yeah, I wouldn't feel comfortable either with daycare.
It's just weird. We don't want to have kids right now.
Yeah.
Just.
I feel like I'll probably be that auntie that just be.
Look.
Oh my god, a 2-year-old?
Yeah, supposed to.
No, that's a lie. That is a lie.
Yeah, if you guys haven't heard about the story about the little baby Jesse that I guess was at a daycare and whatever happened, just Google it, Jesse in a daycare who got beat or what the whoop. You'll be able to see like the whole story. And like from the pictures, you know, it wasn't another 2-year-old. Like, just too
You can
crazy.
just tell.
Yeah.
No. Unless these little kids nowadays are taking it too far, you know, where their parents tell you, if you hit a kid, you better hit them back.
Right?
But yeah, that's definitely not a 2-year-old.
Exactly. Who is it? Oh, that's my boyfriend.
You're like eating pancakes first without.
You want some? He's trying to eat healthy. I cooked
When he wasn't trying to eat healthy when y'all were over in my apartment.
Right?
He ate 6 tacos.
I cooked for him. And he didn't want to eat tortillas. He just ate the ground beef with the potato in it. I made like guacamole sauce. So he ate it that way.
How did it come out? No,
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, really good. Honey, that I'm just saying this when the camera was set on. Us in school, we'll hang out. We're best friends, right? And then we have our best friend, our best friend. Like it's one best friend, that's our best friends, both of us. And people don't think we're sisters because of how we actually are. You know,
they close.
Yeah, they think we're just friends, but no, we're actually sisters. We just have a good relationship. My mom, growing up, always taught us to be that way. We did though. Last year, I think so. Last year we had a really tough year for us. Like she moved out, and then I was still at home with my parents. So it was just so difficult. We were going through rough times. Me and you.
We were.
We hated each other.
It got to that point where we actually.
First time I fought, like this fought.
It was. Don't say the first time because it was not the first.
Not the first time, but it was the longest though. Like, you know, it's crazy to be able to think at some point. But
remember, it was actually before we went to work too.
It was before work, early in the morning. We got in a fist fight, and we had our mom and aunt separating us because they moved from Cali over, so they were staying there for like a few months while they can get their shit together. So, and you know, it so happened that we were just mad at each other, and we literally went at it.
Early in the morning.
Who the fuck wakes up, right? Decides they want to fight.
I'm about to beat this bitch's ass.
Seriously, like that's crazy. But it happened. We're kind of over it. I mean, we wouldn't be sisters like if we didn't fight.
Exactly. Bitch, let's fight.
Camera. Okay, what's viral?
World star.
Sister 3 must bang into a fist fight.
No, baby. It's good water.
Other than that, we're pretty close. We're trying to now. She lives with her boyfriend in Solvay, so she lived like 20 minutes away, and I live like literally by downtown. So it was just kind of a commute type of thing that was getting in the way too. After
That's why we
but now she moved closer. So.
Yeah, that's why we really didn't hang out, just because of where I was living at.
We were too lazy to drive to each other. Like it could be worse. And in California, traffic is horrible here. You don't get no traffic.
Yeah, if y'all think it's traffic, let me tell you, it ain't no fucking traffic.
Are you gonna get married? I'm gonna show this today. She didn't want to marry you.
I don't want to get married, but
Does he know that?
yeah,
Oh, he knows.
he wants to get married.
I do. I want to get married.
I told him we could fuck around and get married in Vegas, but
I don't want a wedding
was
though.
like,
Like I don't
no.
want a reception. I think we just
no, he was like, no, dude. He was like, you deserve. It was like a big wedding and da da da. So
You? I'm just kidding.
excuse me.
I'm sorry. This might be just as some people that I'm eating with my fingers, but it's so hard to try to eat with the fork.
Ain't nothing wrong.
She's just like trying to make it in the video. Her shadow's just on that side. Right. I don't even want to shrimp or so good from Panda. Man, I gotta start charging that 125 extra. And you're talking about let me get a two entry plate. And then they said, what's 125 extra? What? Y'all got me back.
125 extra and they give you like 6 honey walnut shrimp.
Alright, so all the sisters are gonna get together. So this is my mini-me.
This is my mini-me right
In the
here.
camera.
Even though she's almost as big as me.
Yeah. So I'm the oldest, she's the second, she's the third, and she's the baby one. She was kind of like the oops, you weren't supposed to happen, but it happened and
She was not supposed to happen.
She looks like me. Go.
What?
See. Oh, the camera. Let me see now. Get a picture. Look, girl, we didn't call you Twee. We called you the other day.
She looks like me. You know, she even got the hair too. Look, turn
I
around.
know they all got curly hair, except me. I have like wavy lion hair. Like it's poofy
No, you
as
don't.
hell. Yes, I do. Because I always have like this.
Wait, look at straighten your hair.
What did she say? What did she say?
She said because you straighten your hair.
Well, yeah, obviously, because I don't like how poofy.
But most of you have wavy.
That's what I'm saying, and that's what I was saying, that I have wavy hair, but I don't have curly hair like you guys.
This is sweet.
Yeah,
I feel like
I'm apparently gonna be the tiny one too. I'm the oldest, and I'm gonna be the shortest one out of all of them. Because she's a little bit taller than me. She's literally getting to my height.
She's already at like my.
I know, and she's over here catching up. Like, let's see that. Like she's right here.
Sure.
But anywho,
She's almost as big.
this is Juju. Juju, say hi. She's actually Giuliani. We call her Juju. That's Nani, Taliani.
Taliani. How you scratch me?
I think we're gonna give her a camera so she can baby vlog. We gotta get that bag one way or the other.
We got to secure that bag, that shmoney baby.
We gotta start them young. I'll be the manager. I'm the manager.
No, you're her manager. I'll be Nana's manager.
For all of you, I think I'll be really good at managing. I think I'm really good with planning stuff and all that stuff.
No, bitch, you're a thief. You will fucking steal their fucking money.
I will get you right contracts, okay?
And she'll keep like 75% of it.
I'll be making 20%. Every manager I guess makes 10.
20 plus the 75.
Screw you. One thing about her, she eats so slow. One slice of pizza takes her forever. Like I'm literally on my 5th slice when she's like barely getting even.
Because I like to enjoy my food. No, I actually do eat a lot, but I like to eat
Savor.
slow. Yeah, there you go.
Savor.
Savor, okay, if that's such a word.
I don't even know it.
But I said
there
you go. Big unicorn gets on my nerves.
I got it for her last
Can you
year.
bring it?
For Christmas. Didn't I get it for Christmas?
Yeah.
You got it for New Year's Eve.
You got it for her for Christmas, but you gave it to him late.
No, I didn't.
Well, actually, after Christmas. Like,
There you go.
Christmas, after
There you go.
Christmas.
Don't try to play me. Go
Especially on camera.
Yeah. I know I was late, but not that late. Let me see, bring it.
Bring what?
The unicorn.
It's not even a unicorn.
She gonna bring that
It's not even a
big
unicorn. unicorn.
something.
It's a Pegasus. It's a Pegasus because it doesn't have horns.
Okay.
Don't be so stupid.
Right. This whole entire time we've been talking
Talking about it, a unicorn?
It ain't no unicorn.
Bring it!
It's a Pegasus.
It's not.
It's
Yeah, I
a
think
pillow.
Ooh, she gonna knock out
That
everything.
Give
best thing is so big that she can't even bring it around. She gonna knock every light down. And do not
Watch it knock out the
knock the lighting. Do not knock the lighting out.
Okay, so here is the Pegasus right here.
Well, they call it a unicorn.
It is cute though.
I got it from Toys R Us. Toys R Us no longer exists.
Actually, yeah, they're coming
They're
back.
coming back. There you go.
But they're coming back?
So they unclaimed bankruptcy. They're like, we was never going broke.
Calculated.
No, I blame her for
We
the
missed this income.
We miscalculated. So according to our calculations, we fucked up.
No chapter 7, no chapter 13. With whoever your accountant was, you're gonna get them fired.
They fucked up real bad, let me tell you.
Mom.
Them goggles.
Some is already over, isn't it?
But it's raining out there.
Yeah, go take a swim. Dive downstairs.
Go dive in a puddle. Beyond one. I cannot take your sleep.
Your kids are gonna look at you like you were a gang member. You got a big old tattoo. A big old tattoo.
Hold on, I got it.
I have tattoos, but mine's are hidden. Right here, miss. 1996.
The day she was born.
So y'all see
Who just stabs a year on their leg?
me, bitch. Don't be making fun of it because you was talking about, oh, look, it's nice. It's actually
We have a matching tattoo too.
soon.
What's
Another one, I'm getting another one.
Red ink this time.
And I'm gonna pop a fortune cookie. Ooh.
Oh, what is not?
They took yours. Let's see what this one says.
It's because I'm already fortunate.
Your sense of humor is a tremendous asset. Oh, I knew it!
You don't even got a sense of humor, let me tell you. I'm just kidding.
I'm hella funny, I swear.
let's see yours.
Let's see what yours says, huh? Huh?
Probably some.
You can't even open it. Let's see.
Your greatest asset is your positive perspective. I
You
really
do
am.
have a positive perspective.
Yeah, I usually try to
She'll
see.
crash she'll crash her car and she'll say, well, at least I'm alive.
Yeah.
I'll be like, what?
What's your little eyebrows?
Girl, let me
You
see.
see how annoying that I can't stand them.
It's because whenever you don't have makeup, your eyebrows are made like that.
You're probably not.
Lisa's probably back there agreeing like, hell yeah.
These are the best Mexican candies, like no lie.